Today I am sharing with you 4 more myths of manifestation, and I believe understanding these myths will help you speed up your manifestation process and achieve your goals, desires and dreams. Are you ready for it? I am sure you are. Hey, hello awesome tribe. This is Awesome AJ, your mentor, guide and coach in your personal transformation. In one of the earlier video, I have shared the top 3 myths of manifestation and so many of you loved it and requested for this video. So here are the 4 more myths that I am sharing with you today, which will help you in understanding the law of attraction and process of manifestation so that you will speed up your manifestation. So if you are new here in our awesome tribe, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon and be a part of our awesome tribe. If you are yet to watch that video where I shared the top 3 myths, then you can check the video here. Now the first myth for today is you must avoid negativities all the time. Yes. And maybe sometimes, some people have this misconception watching my videos as well that I'm asking you to be positive 100% time. We need to understand this, that all of us are human and we cannot be positive 100% of the time, all the time. We are living with people, we are living in a society, we are living with people who have influences around us. So sometimes you face challenges, sometimes you face obstacles, sometimes you face difficulties, and sometimes people around you, knowingly or unknowingly, influence or impact you negatively. And you may get negative from time to time. It's okay to feel negative from time to time. So first thing is, you cannot be positive 100% of the time, but your focus should be to be positive as much as possible, and most importantly, not to stay stuck in negativity. What blocks the manifestation process? That many people, when they stay depressed, when they stuck in the negativity, there are people who are holding negativity and negative situations that has happened even 10 years back. That is wrong. That is absolute fault. Your focus should be as much positive as possible. If few months back or last month you were only 10% time of the day you were positive, and today if you are 30% time you are positive, you are progressing well. That is the good thing. If you were 50% of the day positive and today you are 70% time you are positive, that's the best progress. So focus on raising your positivity as much as possible. You cannot go from 10% positivity to 90% positivity all of a sudden. Your focus should be keep improving and try to be as much positive as possible. There are times when such bad things happen to you or around you, you may not stay positive. It's okay if you feel down, but as soon as possible, you pull yourself back and be positive. That is the key. That should be the focus, to be positive as much as possible. Now the second myth is manifestation should be hard and difficult. We have been programmed so much that success should be hard and difficult. Yes, sometimes success, sometimes the journey become hard, difficult, full of struggle, but it doesn't have to be like that all the time, because if you believe that it has to be hard and difficult and full of struggle, then every single thing will become full of struggle. Even smallest of achievement and success will become full of struggle. Then your life will be only full of struggle. So you have to start programming yourself that success is going to be easy and joyful and a magical experience for you. Once you start programming this thing, challenges will come, but lot lesser than before. It is my personal experience and it is the experience of hundreds and thousands of people I have mentored so far. That when we believe that success should be hard and difficult and full of struggle, even the smallest thing becomes difficult. But once you start believing that it is going to be a joyful journey, I am not saying easy, I am saying it's going to be a joyful journey, I am saying it's going to be a fun journey, it's going to be a happy journey, then the struggle or the stress or the anxiety goes down automatically. Then you have the strength or power to even face the big difficulties and find the solution beyond it, and so that you can become solution oriented and you achieve many things with less effort. So that is the most important thing. You have to understand that success and manifestation can be joyful, it can be fun filled, it can be a happy journey, and sometimes it can be even easier. Now the third myth is meditation is all about emptying your mind. Remember, meditation is a powerful process, it's a powerful element of manifestation. But many people believe this thing that meditation means emptying your mind, because they listen to highly spiritual people who said, oh, we empty our mind and we receive so many things and we go to a samadhi state and all. Meditation means knowing yourself. It's not emptying your mind. Emptying your mind is a very high state. You don't have to be in that state. Meditation you have to do to know yourself, so that you should know what is going inside, and then you start channelizing your thoughts, feelings, actions, everything in the right direction. Let go of all those things that are unwanted, those garbage inside your mind, heart and soul, and focus on the divine gifts within you. That is why I have created a beautiful video in explaining all about meditation, and if you are yet to watch that video, you should check that meditation video here and understand everything about meditation. So meditation is not about emptying your mind, it's about knowing yourself. Now the fourth myth, the destination will make you happy. Yes, this is the oldest concept. Many people believe that destination will make you happy. Oh, once I'll manifest this person, once I'll manifest this dream job, once I'll manifest this car or this thing that I'm desiring, once I manifest, everything will be happy. Then I'll be happy. I cannot be happy before that. That is the biggest misconception, because the journey is the happiness, and when you focus on the journey, then you will be happy while manifesting it. You will be happy at the time of manifestation, and you will stay happy beyond the manifestation, because your life is not coming to an end with that manifestation or at that destination. The journey will continue, so that if you focus right now in the journey with happiness, then everything will be joyful. That is why happiness is the number one key to success. It's not the success that is the key to happiness. It's the happiness is the key to success. Means when you start enjoying the journey, when you start being happy about what you are manifesting, how you are improving yourself, how you are joyfully working on yourself. If you start being happy with that, if you start enjoying that, then when you manifest that person, when you manifest that job, when you manifest that money, at that point also you will be happy, and beyond that also you will be working on yourself and you will be making it better and better and better. That is the key, my friend, and that is how you will be growing in life. So always remember, it's not the destination, it's the journey that you have to enjoy, and when you enjoy the journey, when you be happy, you will manifest fast. So these are the 4 more myths that I wanted you to understand today, and if this video is an eye-opener for you, if this video has helped you in your manifestation journey, like it, comment and share it with someone, and let me know if you are carrying any of this misconception and you got this clarity and you are no more going to be stuck with any of these myths. There are many more myths are there. If you want more videos on this, then I'll be sharing more myths so that you should understand them and unblock them and move forward. If you want to learn more tools, techniques and processes, you should join our powerful program, Make Your Life Awesome. Check the link in the description section. If you are new here, hit the subscribe button and the bell icon to be a part of our awesome tribe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. This is Awesome AJ.